Dear students, Namaste. Welcome to the accounts class. In our last session, we have discussed the rectification of errors. In that, we discussed the problems and theories under the rectification of errors before preparing the trial balance and after preparing the trial balance. We already have discussed the suspense account. See, before preparing the trial balance, there are some errors. In order to rectify that, we have to give debit and credit. And after preparing the trial balance, we have give suspense account. So, what is that suspense account? Suspense account is a account that the difference between debit and credit in the trial balance, we have transferred the difference balance in the trial balance to the suspense account. It is a temporary account, not a permanent account. It is a temporary account. Students, in this session, we are going to discuss the problems under rectification of errors, that is overcast and undercast of books. If it is overcast means what we have to do, and if it is undercast means what we have to do. So, that is the discussion in this video. See, let us see the first problem, that is purchase book overcast by rupees 500. Purchase return book overcast by rupees 200. See, overcast, and sales book overcast by rupees 700. Sales return book overcast by rupees 300. So, what it is overcast? Overcast means excess amount than the actual. Overcast is a amount excess than the actual. Actual amount ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು, it is known as overcast. Undercast means excess amount, short amount than the actual. So, that is undercast. See, in the last session we discussed the principles. What are the principles? See, that is the principle. If it is excess debit in one or more accounts, then you have to give credit that particular account. ಒಂದು account ಅಲ್ಲಿ excess amount ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, in order to rectify that, we have to give that account to credit side. And if it is excess credit, then we have to give debit account. So, that is the principle. If it is a short means same. If it is a short in a debit side means we have to give debit side itself. If it is a short in a credit side means we have to give credit side itself. So, this is the principle to rectify the errors. See, let us solve this problem. First, purchase book overcast by rupees 500. So, 500 amount excess. Purchase book shows excess amount than the actual. See, always purchase book shows a debit balance. Remember this. Purchase book always shows a debit balance. So, debit balance ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ purchase book. It is always generally purchase book ಏನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ, ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಈಗ ಓವರ್ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ, ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್. ಸೊ, ಲೆಟ್ us see the principle. So, what is the principle? If it is excess in a debit side, same account should be credited. In order to rectify that debit, we have to give credit. So, what is the rectification entry? See, prepare the journal entry. Particulars, debit amount column and credit amount column. See, in order to rectify this overcast, if it is excess means excess in the debit, that means we have to give credit. And another account is suspense account. Along with the suspense account, we have to rectify because it is after preparing the trial balance. See, the first entry is rectification entry is purchase book overcast. Overcast, once again I will explain. Purchase book overcast. See, purchase book shows always a debit balance, right? So, for that excess debit, that means we have to give credit. In order to rectify this error, we have to give credit, that means to purchase account, and debit side we have to give suspense account. Suspense account debtor to purchase account. So why we are giving purchase to credit? Because it is overcast by rupees 500 excess than the actual. So excess debit means we have to give, in order to rectify that we have to give the credit. So suspense account debtor to purchase account. Write the narration, that is purchase book overcast by rupees 500, now rectified. So that is the narration. What is the amount? 500. So this is the rectified journal entry. And second one is purchase return book. If it is a purchase book shows debit balance, means purchase return book shows credit balance. Opposite of this, ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದನ್ನು ನಾವು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. If it is purchase in a debit side means purchase return obviously in a credit side. See, purchase return shows book shows a credit balance. So in order to rectify that, credit excess credit means we have to give debit. So rectified entry is purchase return account debtor to suspense account. Another account is suspense account, because the difference is transferred to suspense account, right? So therefore purchase return, what is the amount? 200. It is very easy to solve. 200. And write the narration, that is purchase return book shows overcast amount rupees 200, now rectified. So that is the narration for this entry. Hope you are cleared with the purchase book and purchase return book. Purchase book always shows debit balance. For that excess debit means we have to give credit in order to rectify that entry. And purchase return means it shows credit balance. In order to rectify that we have to give debit entry, that is purchase return account debtor to suspense account along with the suspense account. Next, third entry is sales book overcast by rupees 700. So sales book shows credit balance. Purchase book debit balance, sales book credit balance. Purchase return book also credit balance, and sales return debit balance. So here sales book overcast by rupees 700 excess than the actual, that is sales always shows a credit balance. So excess credit, in order to rectify this wrong entry we have to give debit. So what is the entry? Sales account debtor to suspense account. Sales account debtor to suspense account. Why it is a sales account debtor to suspense account? Because sales always shows a credit balance, right? So sales excess credit means we have to give debit. In order to rectify that entry we have to give debit. So entry is sales account debtor to suspense account. Next one is sales return book overcast by rupees 300. Sales return book, if it is a sales book shows the credit balance means sales return book shows debit balance. So sales return book shows debit balance, excess debit. In order to rectify that excess debit we have to give the credit. So that is fourth entry is sales return book to sales return account, here suspense account. Suspense account debtor to sales return account, amount is 300. See, sales return always shows debit balance. In order to rectify this, because it is overcast, it shows excess amount, right? Actual amount than the actual amount. Actual amount ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. For that, in order to rectify this entry we have to give this is to the credit. Suspense account debtor to sales return account. So this is the rectification entry for this wrong transactions. So write the narration, that is sales return book overcast, now rectified. So, hope you are cleared with this. See, if it is overcast, if it is excess amount means give opposite account, that is if it is excess in the debit side means we have to rectify. In order to rectify that, we have to give credit. If it is excess in the credit, that means we have to give debit. So, this is the principles in order to rectify the entry. So, let us move on to another problem, that is undercast. If it is undercast balances in the books, what we have to do? The problem is rectify the following errors First one is sales book undercast. Sales book undercast. See, this is undercast, short amount than the actual. Undercast by rupees 300. By rupees 300. Second transaction is purchase book undercast. Purchase book undercast by rupees 400. Third one is sales return or return inwards. Sales return or return inwards. Return inwards undercast by rupees. Undercast by rupees 200. Next, purchase return book undercast by rupees 100. Undercast by rupees 100. See, this is the transactions about undercast. See here, undercast. In our last problem, we discussed that is overcast. If it is in a overcast, what we have to do? So, this is in a undercast. So, see the principle. What is the principle? What does the principle say? If it is excess amount in a debit, in order to rectify this, we have to give credit. If it is a short debit in an account, short debit means short amount than the actual amount, give further debit. So, there is no change in the entry. See, excess amount shows in the debit side means we have to give credit side, credit entry. If it is a short debit, that means we have to give further debit to the account. And if it is excess credit in an account means we have to give the debit entry. And another situation is short credit. If it is a short credit means we have to further credit that account. Further credit that account. So, this is the principle. Excess amount in a debit side, we have to give credit, already discussed in our last problem, right. So, short debit, see this is undercast. So, let us prepare the journal entry. That is the debit column and credit amount column and particulars. So, first entry is, what is the first entry now? Sales book undercast by rupees 300. Sales book, always sales book shows credit balance. So, short undercast means short amount, it shows the short amount, not excess amount. Excess amount means we have to give another account, that is if it is debit means it is we have to give credit, if it is credit means we have to give debit. But in this case undercast, that is short amount, it shows the short amount than the actual, low amount than the actual, ಕಡಿಮೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು amount actually ಗಿಂತ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು? See the principle. Short sales book always shows a credit balance. That means a short credit. We have to give further credit. So what is the entry now? Suspense account debtor. Suspense account debtor to sales account. In our last problem we discussed, that is overcast. In a sales book, the amount is overcast, means excess amount. It shows excess amount means we have to give sales to the debit side. Why? Because excess amount in the credit side means we have to, in order to rectify that, we have to give to the debit side. So entry ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು last problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ sales account debtor to suspense account ಇತ್ತು, because it is excess amount. In this short amount, see the difference, short amount. So short amount ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು, ಸೇಮ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ? ಸಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಟಾರ್ ಟು ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ 300. So write the narration, that is sales book undercast by rupees 300, now rectified. Next one, purchase book undercast by rupees 400. So purchase book always shows debit balance, as I said in our last discussion. See, purchase book shows debit balance. See, debit ಅಲ್ಲಿ excess ಇದ್ರೆ, excess debit ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್, ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್. ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಶೋಸ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈ ದಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್. ಸೇಮ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಈಸ್ purchase book shows debit balance, so short debit, further give debit itself to suspense account. So purchase account debtor to suspense account, amount is 400. And write the narration, that is purchase book undercast by rupees 400, now rectified. Hope you are cleared with this. Next, ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಬುಕ್. ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ, ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಅಂಡರ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬೈ rupees 200. It is under cast. Sales return shows which amount? That is, if it is a sales credit amount means sales return debit amount. It shows debit amount, debit balances. So debit balances short ಇದೆ, excess ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, short, under cast, short amount than the actual, lesser amount than the actual. So for that, in order to rectify this, we have to further debit the account. Sales return account debtor to sales return account debtor to suspense account. Another account is suspense account. Sales return account debtor to suspense account. What is the amount? 200. Write the narration. Sales return book shows undercast by rupees 200, now rectified. Next one, fourth entry is purchase return book undercast by rupees 100. Purchase return shows credit balance. So purchase return always shows credit balance. So short amount in the credit, that means we have to further credit that account. Amount anna short idre ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, in order to rectify this we have to give credit. If it is in the debit means we have to give debit. So ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದನ್ನು, ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್, it shows a credit balance. So therefore the entry is suspense account debtor to purchase return account. Purchase return account, amount is rupees 100. So write the narration, that is purchase return book undercast by rupees 100, now rectified. So this is how we are going to rectify the errors in the transactions. So that is overcast and undercast. If it is overcast means excess amount than the actual. So, we have to give, if it is excess in the debit means we have to give credit, if it is excess in the credit means we have to give debit. So, that is a under overcast. If it is under undercast means we have, it is a short amount, less amount than the actual. So, we have to give same account. If it is in the short amount in the debit side means we have to give further debit. If it is short in the credit side means we have to give further credit. So, this is how we are going to rectify the errors along with the suspense account. What is suspense account? Suspense account means it is the difference in the trial balance. What is the difference in the trial balance? We have to transferring to the suspense account. It is temporary account, not a permanent account. If it is your trial balance, suspense account is not getting closed, then the balance is transferring to the balance sheet. So, this is about a suspense account and rectification of errors in the under overcast amount and undercast. See, in a next session we will discuss the problems and preparing the suspense account. Thank you.